Hey everyone! Today we are opening Lenovo's Yoga Slim 714A GP11. For reliability, display quality, benchmarks and battery tests, check the full review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below. Let's dive in. Remove 4 screws, then lift the bottom cover. Expect 1 extra clip near the center inside. We use a Torx T5 screwdriver. The first 2 screws are shorter than the other pair. With a thin plastic tool, start releasing the clips around the bottom panel. Do not slide the tool too deep. It may touch the battery, speakers, or motherboard. This is the battery connector. Disconnect it before touching the internals. This is the only M.2 SSD slot. The processor sits under the cooler. It is the AMD Ryzen AI 445. This is the MediaTek Wi-Fi 7 card. Now we unplug the battery connector, pulling it straight out of the socket. Now loosen the battery screws. They stay attached to the pack. This is a 70 watt-hour battery. There is slight resistance during removal, so lift it gently and evenly. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Now we remove the SSD. Lenovo uses 1M.2 form factor's SSD here, with PCI Express 4 support. There is no second storage slot. The thermal pad grips the drive quite firmly. Our unit has a 1TB Micron 2600 SSD. We slide the drive back into place. The memory is soldered LPDDR5X, so there are no RAM slots. That was the internal layout of Lenovo's Yoga Slim 714 AGP11. In the full laptop media review, check the thermals, the OLED display measurements, and the real battery life results. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more teardown videos.